Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. Today I'll be making some lemonade with a twist, so let's get started. These are the ingredients you're going to need: some ground ginger, cinnamon, brown sugar, apple, lemon, and mint. Of course, you're going to wash your fruits up just like this. This inspiration came from my favorite dessert, which is the apple pie. And so I decided to, hey, let me see if I can turn this into lemonade. I like making drinks and I like finding new ways to make drinks. So I decided to put the twist of my favorite apple pie filling into the lemonade, and it turned out amazing. I've never done this before. I didn't even think it would work. But it literally tastes like you're drinking apple pie without the crust, of course. So you want to chop up your apples. You could pretty much use whatever apple you have on hand or want to use, or your favorite. But you want small pieces just like this. So you're going to add it to the pot, season it with the cinnamon, the ground ginger, the brown sugar, and some water. Put it on the stove and allow it to simmer for about 10 minutes or until the water evaporates on low heat. Now I'm just going to make the lemonade. You guys know how to make lemonade. I mean, just water, lemon, sugar. However you want to watch your sugar. I only use a little bit of sugar because there's sugar in the apple pie mixture. So it's very lemony though. I added like 5 lemons to this mason jar. So it was spot on once I blended it. This is what it looked like. It cooked on low heat for about 10-15 minutes so the apple could become nice and tender. And it was just delicious. The ginger, the cinnamon, the brown sugar, it was just good. To the ice in your blender, you want to add some fresh mint. Not too much. We're not making a smoothie. Add your lemonade mixture, half of it or however amount you want to add. Blend it up just like this. And now I'm just going to layer it into my glass. So you want to put some lemonade down, then you want to put some apple pie filling down. As you're going to see, that brown sugar mixture is just going to start seeping into the lemonade. You guys, this lemonade was really, really good. I know it looks strange. I know you've probably never had it before. But, just try it out. It was really good. I wouldn't even play with you guys like that. So I'm going to top it off with the rest of the apple pie filling just like this. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you give it a try, let me know what you think. I promise you it's not a fail. I promise you guys. But thank you guys for watching. Bye.